Have you ever wondered what separates the unstoppable from the average? What is it that propels some individuals to achieve greatness while others remain stuck in mediocrity? Today, I'm going to share with you 30 behaviors that will make you unstoppable. These are the habits and mindsets that have guided me throughout my life, and I believe they can do the same for you. Let's start with the first behavior, relentless determination. Unstoppable individuals possess an unwavering commitment to their goals. They don't let obstacles deter them. Instead, they view challenges as opportunities for growth. When faced with setbacks, they pick themselves up, dust themselves off, and keep moving forward. They understand that success is not a straight line, but rather a series of twists and turns. It's the ability to persevere through the tough times that sets them apart. The second behavior is a growth mindset. Unstoppable individuals embrace the idea that their abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work and dedication. They don't view failures as permanent setbacks, but rather as learning experiences. They constantly seek out new knowledge and skills, knowing that personal growth is a lifelong journey. They understand that the only limits they face are the ones they place upon themselves. This leads us to the third behavior, taking full responsibility for your life. Unstoppable individuals refuse to play the victim. They don't blame others for their circumstances or make excuses for their shortcomings. Instead, they take ownership of their actions and decisions. They understand that they are the architects of their own destiny, and that the power to change their lives lies within themselves. They don't wait for permission or validation from others. They take the initiative and make things happen. The fourth behavior is courage. Unstoppable individuals are not afraid to step outside of their comfort zone. They understand that growth and success often lie on the other side of fear. They are willing to take calculated risks and face their fears head on. They don't let the opinions of others hold them back. They have the courage to stand up for what they believe in, even if it means standing alone. They know that the greatest rewards come to those who are brave enough to pursue their dreams. The fifth behavior is resilience. Unstoppable individuals have the ability to bounce back from setbacks and adversity. They don't let failures or rejections define them. Instead, they use these experiences as fuel for their journey. They understand that resilience is like a muscle. The more they exercise it, the stronger it becomes. They don't dwell on the past or wallow in self-pity. They focus on the present and keep pushing forward, knowing that every challenge they overcome makes them stronger. The sixth behavior is adaptability. Unstoppable individuals are flexible and open to change. They understand that the world is constantly evolving, and they must evolve with it. They are not rigid in their thinking or approach. They are willing to pivot when necessary and adjust their strategies to fit the current circumstances. They don't get stuck in their ways or resist new ideas. They embrace change as an opportunity for growth and innovation. The seventh behavior is a positive attitude. Unstoppable individuals choose to focus on the good in every situation. They don't let negativity or pessimism cloud their vision. They understand that their thoughts and beliefs shape their reality. They actively cultivate a positive mindset, even in the face of adversity. They surround themselves with uplifting influences and seek out the company of those who inspire and motivate them. They know that a positive attitude is contagious and can transform not only their own lives, but also the lives of those around them. The eighth behavior is self-discipline. Unstoppable individuals have mastered the art of self-control. They don't let their impulses or desires dictate their actions. Instead, they exercise discipline in all areas of their lives. They set clear goals and priorities, and they follow through on their commitments. They understand that success is not achieved through sporadic bursts of effort, but rather through consistent, focused action. They are willing to make short-term sacrifices for long-term gains. The ninth behavior is a strong work ethic. Unstoppable individuals are not afraid to roll up their sleeves and put in the hard work necessary to achieve their goals. They understand that there are no shortcuts to success. They are willing to go the extra mile and put in the hours when others have long since given up. They don't make excuses or complain about the challenges they face. Instead, they embrace the grind and find joy in the process of pushing themselves to new heights. The 10th behavior is emotional intelligence. Unstoppable individuals have a keen understanding of their own emotions and the emotions of others. They are able to regulate their own feelings and respond appropriately to the needs of those around them. They have strong interpersonal skills and are able to build deep, meaningful relationships. They understand that success is not just about what they achieve, but also about how they treat others along the way. The 11th behavior is a commitment to personal growth. Unstoppable individuals are lifelong learners. They understand that knowledge is power, and they actively seek out opportunities to expand their minds. They read books, attend seminars, and engage in meaningful conversations. They are not content with the status quo, but rather are always striving to become the best version of themselves. They understand that personal growth is not a destination, but a journey that lasts a lifetime. The 12th behavior is a willingness to take action. Unstoppable individuals don't just dream about their goals, they take concrete steps to make them a reality. They understand that ideas without action are just wishes. They are not afraid to get their hands dirty and do the work necessary to bring their visions to life. They don't wait for the perfect moment or the ideal circumstances. They take action now, knowing that every step they take brings them closer to their desired outcome. The 13th behavior is the ability to learn from failure. Unstoppable individuals don't see failure as a permanent setback, but rather as a valuable learning experience. They understand that every failure contains a lesson that can help them grow and improve. They are not afraid to take risks and try new things, knowing that even if they fail, they will gain valuable insights that will serve them in the future. They don't let the fear of failure hold them back from pursuing their dreams. The 14th behavior is a focus on solutions, not problems. Unstoppable individuals are not discouraged by the obstacles they face. Instead, they focus their energy on finding solutions. They are creative problem solvers who refuse to be defeated by challenges. They understand that every problem has a solution, and they are determined to find it. They don't waste time complaining or dwelling on the negative. Instead, they take a proactive approach and seek out ways to overcome the obstacles in their path. The 15th behavior is a commitment to excellence. Unstoppable individuals are not satisfied with mediocrity. They strive for excellence in everything they do. They understand that success is not just about reaching a destination, but about the quality of the journey. They take pride in their work and put their best effort into every task they undertake. They are not content with good enough, but rather push themselves to continually raise the bar. The 16th behavior is the ability to prioritize and focus. Unstoppable individuals understand that time is their most precious resource. They are skilled at identifying the most important tasks and focusing their energy on those activities that will have the greatest impact. They don't allow themselves to be distracted by minor issues or trivial pursuits. They are laser-focused on their goals and are willing to say no to anything that doesn't align with their priorities. The 17th behavior is a willingness to take responsibility. Unstoppable individuals don't make excuses or blame others for their shortcomings. They take full ownership of their actions and decisions. They understand that they are in control of their own lives and that their choices have consequences. They don't play the victim or wait for others to solve their problems. Instead, they take the initiative and do what needs to be done to achieve their goals. The 18th behavior is a strong sense of purpose. Unstoppable individuals are driven by a deep sense of purpose and meaning. They understand that true success is not just about achieving external goals, but about living a life that is aligned with their values and passions. They have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and why it matters. They are not swayed by the opinions of others or the temptations of short-term gains. They stay true to themselves and pursue their purpose with unwavering dedication. The 19th behavior is the ability to embrace change. Unstoppable individuals understand that change is a constant in life. They don't resist or fear change, but rather embrace it as an opportunity for growth and transformation. They are flexible and adaptable, able to pivot when necessary and adjust their strategies to fit new circumstances. They don't get stuck in their ways or cling to the past. Instead, they look forward to the future with excitement and anticipation. The 20th behavior is a commitment to continuous improvement. Unstoppable individuals are never satisfied with the status quo. They are always looking for ways to improve themselves and their surroundings. They understand that success is not a one-time event, but rather an ongoing process of growth and development. They set goals, track their progress, and make adjustments as needed. They are not afraid to challenge themselves and push beyond their comfort zone. The 21st behavior is the ability to cultivate strong relationships. Unstoppable individuals understand that success is not achieved in isolation. They know that building strong, supportive relationships is essential to their personal and professional growth. They are skilled at networking and forming connections with others who share their values and goals. They treat others with respect and empathy, and they are always willing to lend a helping hand. They understand that the strength of their relationships is a key factor in their overall success. The 22nd behavior is a commitment to giving back. Unstoppable individuals understand that true success is not just about what they achieve for themselves, but also about the impact they have on others. They are generous with their time, resources, and knowledge. They actively seek out opportunities to make a positive difference in the world. They understand that by lifting others up, they also elevate themselves. They find joy and fulfillment in contributing to something greater than themselves. The 23rd behavior is the ability to stay grounded. Unstoppable individuals don't let success go to their heads. They remain humble and grounded, even in the face of great achievements. They understand that success is not a permanent state, but rather something that must be continually earned and maintained. They don't let their egos get in the way of their growth and development. They stay focused on their goals and values, and they never lose sight of what truly matters. The 24th behavior is a commitment to self-care. Unstoppable individuals understand that they cannot pour from an empty cup. They prioritize their physical, mental, and emotional well-being. They make time for rest, relaxation, and rejuvenation. They engage in activities that bring them joy and fulfillment. They understand that taking care of themselves is not a luxury, but a necessity for sustained success. They know that when they are at their best, they are better able to serve others and achieve their goals. The 25th behavior is the ability to embrace uncertainty. Unstoppable individuals are not afraid of the unknown. They understand that life is full of surprises and that the path to success is rarely a straight line. They are comfortable with ambiguity and are willing to take calculated risks. They don't let the fear of the unknown hold them back from pursuing their dreams. Instead, they embrace uncertainty as an opportunity for growth and discovery. The 26th behavior is a commitment to integrity. Unstoppable individuals understand that their character is their most valuable asset. They are honest, ethical, and trustworthy. They do what they say they will do, and they stand by their principles, even when it's difficult. They understand that success without integrity is hollow and meaningless. They strive to live a life that is aligned with their values, and that inspires others to do the same. The 27th behavior is the ability to lead by example. Unstoppable individuals understand that true leadership is not about title or position, but about influence and impact. They lead by example, modeling the behaviors and attitudes they wish to see in others. They inspire and motivate those around them through their actions, not just their words. They understand that leadership is a responsibility, not a privilege, and they take that responsibility seriously. The 28th behavior is a commitment to gratitude. Unstoppable individuals understand that gratitude is a powerful force for positive change. They actively cultivate a sense of appreciation and thankfulness for the blessings in their lives. They focus on what they have rather than what they lack. They express their gratitude to others and look for opportunities to pay it forward. They understand that a grateful heart is a magnet for abundance and success. The 29th behavior is the ability to embrace discomfort. Unstoppable individuals understand that growth and success often lie outside of their comfort zone. They are willing to face their fears and take on challenges that push them beyond their limits. They understand that discomfort is a sign that they are growing and evolving. They don't shy away from difficult conversations or tough decisions. Instead, they lean into the discomfort, knowing that it is a necessary part of the journey to greatness. The 30th and final behavior is a commitment to leaving a legacy. Unstoppable individuals understand that their lives have a purpose beyond their own personal success. They strive to make a lasting impact on the world and to leave a positive legacy for future generations. They understand that true success is not measured by the accolades they receive, but by the lives they touch and the difference they make. They live each day with intention, knowing that every action and decision has the power to shape their legacy. In conclusion, these 30 behaviors are the key to becoming unstoppable. They are the habits and mindsets that separate the extraordinary from the ordinary. But here's the thing, anyone can develop these behaviors. It doesn't matter where you come from or what obstacles you face. What matters is your willingness to do the work and to never give up on yourself. So my challenge to you today is this: pick one of these behaviors and start implementing it in your life. Don't try to do everything at once. Start small and build momentum over time. And remember, success is not a destination but a journey. Embrace the process and enjoy the ride. You have within you the power to achieve greatness. You have the ability to overcome any obstacle and to create the life you desire. All you need is the courage to take the first step and the determination to keep going no matter what. So go out there and be unstoppable. Embrace these 30 behaviors and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. Remember, the only limits you face are the ones you place upon yourself. So dream big, take action, and never give up on your dreams. Thank you for listening. And remember, you are capable of extraordinary things. Now go out there and make it happen.